Having white teeth has a great effect on people's being more self-confident in social life. Those who want to whiten their teeth even more are looking for methods of whitening at home. Here are the home teeth whitening methods and miraculous techniques we have compiled for you. However, most people's teeth turn yellow over time due to many factors such as smoking, food and coffee. Stains occur on them and lose their brightness. Even if we take care of our teeth, we cannot prevent the wear on our teeth. You can apply a mixture of lemon and baking soda, the first known method. Squeeze the juice of lemon into a teaspoon of baking soda and mix until foamy. Then brush your teeth with a clean toothbrush. Do not repeat more than once or twice a week due to its acidic properties. Brush with baking soda. Soak the soaked toothbrush in baking soda and brush the teeth. Carbonate, which has a whitening feature, will be good for teeth. You can apply it 2 to 3 times a week. Use table salt. If you brush your teeth with the softest salt you use at home, you will see that the color is lightened and the teeth are cleaned thanks to its antibacterial properties. Simply dip the wet toothbrush in salt and brush it. Considering that the original color of our teeth is not completely white anyway, we can get rid of stains on them, prevent yellowing, and make them vibrant, bright and healthy with some methods we can apply at home. We recommend that you pay attention to the acidic properties of the materials you will use at home. The second method is to put 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/4 teaspoon of Himalayan salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar in a bowl and mix. Keep stirring until it melts. Then dip your toothbrush into this mixture and brush your teeth. And since you do this method, your teeth will be opened 3 tons in 7 days. Let's move on to the hydrogen peroxide whitening technique, which is a last and effective method. According to the American Dental Association data, your teeth are easily white with 3% hydrogen peroxide. The method of whitening teeth with hydrogen peroxide that you can get from the pharmacy is as follows. Mix 2 teaspoons of 3% hydrogen peroxide with 3 teaspoons of baking soda. Add a pinch of salt in it. Brush your teeth with this mixture after mixing it to the consistency of toothpaste. 2 minutes. Rinse your mouth with water after waiting on teeth. You can subscribe and like the channel for this kind of informative video.